Repping for Jamaican Sickest Rights.
On October 16th. Dover Raceway comes alive. Are you ready for circuit racing action?
Greater things for the next event.
Well, we're coming to Jamaica in October with My Radicals for Kyle Gray, David Somerville.
More 8763 people need to be here.
Eddie Hogarth of Scott. Nicholas Bond. William Miles.
Sarah is there.
876 every time.
Ready, straight up. 876. And die. Intercept. One bar.
Easy.